This is the read aloud for Wordly Wise, Lesson 7. For questions 1 through 7, determine the best antonym. For questions 8 through 36, determine the best way to complete each sentence or answer the question. I'm probably going to blow through these pretty quick, so please make sure that you're pausing, reviewing, and replaying them as you need them, okay? Question 1, we're looking for the best antonym. The team was shocked by the coach's harsh words. Expected, ordinary, kind, discouraging. Once again, you're looking for the best antonym. Question 2. David gave Helena a frigid nod. Gloomy, slow, friendly, cruel. Once again, you're looking for the best antonym. David gave Helena a frigid nod. Gloomy, slow, friendly, or cruel. Question 3, looking for the best antonym. Jane gave us a feeble excuse for being late. Believable, terse, short, unclear. Question 4, looking for the best antonym. There's a remote chance that he'll win the race. Great, slim, possible, unsettling. Question 5, looking for the best antonym. That sofa bed is a substantial piece of furniture. Small, heavy, useful, ugly. Small, heavy, useful, ugly. Question 6, looking for the best antonym. Before she became an astronaut, Sally Ride was fascinated by astronomy. Surprised, attracted, confused, bored. Looking for the best antonym one more time. Deposit the money in your savings account. Put, remove, ignore, count. We are now looking for the best way to complete each sentence or answer the question. The sheep were in a huddle beside the barn. The sheep were crowded together, grazing peacefully, in a line, making a lot of noise. Looking for the best way to finish it, okay? You're looking for the best way to finish that question. Question 9, a person who waddles, sways from side to side when they walk, is an excellent swimmer, can never make up their mind, makes many mistakes. Question 10, which of the following is most likely to have a remote control? A microscope, an oven, a shower, a television. Question 11. The team huddled on the field. They gathered together, played well, were defeated, practiced. Question 12. Looking for the best way to complete each sentence or answer the question. The workers will be compensated for working overtime. They will be paid extra money, told to work more quickly, lectured by the boss, questioned about their work habits. Question 13. What would you be most likely to write? When would you be most likely to write a formal letter? To invite your cousin to a birthday party? To send a postcard to a friend? To complain about the service you received at a restaurant? To tell your friend you won't be coming over? Question 14. The class president has very rigid ideas. This means that they are likely to share their ideas with others. Nothing will change their way of thinking. They are very intelligent. They come up with unusual solutions to problems. Question 15, still looking for the best way to complete each sentence or answer the question. Question 15, which of the following walks with a waddle? A duck, a crow, a runner, a dancer. Which of the following walks with a waddle? A duck, a crow, a runner, a dancer. Question 16. The first people to move to North Dakota lived under harsh conditions. They had to struggle with freezing winters, never had to worry about good harvests, often had lovely rainstorms, had to always follow the rules. Question 17. If something makes you feeble, it makes you feel weak, feel sorry, laugh a lot, think very hard about something. Question 18. A colony of mushrooms is growing on the lawn. The mushrooms are scattered all over, clustered together, all the same size and shape, going to be there for a short while. Question 19. New York was once a colony of the Netherlands, another country. This means that New York once ruled the Netherlands, once traded with the Netherlands, once fought a war with the Netherlands, was once legally owned by the Netherlands. Question 20. When you make a deposit at the bank, you are putting money into your account, taking money out of your account, applying for a credit card, applying for a job. Question 21. There is a deposit of rocks and dirt near the riverbank. What does deposit mean in this sentence? Something laid down, something taken away, a mountain, a brook. Question 22. There was a solitary cloud in the sky. The cloud was passing quickly, dark and threatening, shaped like a familiar object, the only one in the sky. Question 23. Rachel resembles her grandmother in many ways. This means that Rachel takes care of her grandmother, does not get along with her grandmother, looks and acts like her grandmother, is very fond of her grandmother. Question 24. Which of the following is rigid? A steel rod, ice cream, a rubber band, a ball of yarn. Question 25. Miss Medina's town is very remote and had just one dirt road running through it. What does remote mean in this sentence? Small, far away, old, cold. Question 26. A substantial loss is a small loss, sudden loss, great loss, discouraging loss. Question 27. Owen was worried that his brother was acting remote. How was his brother acting? Distant and isolated, childish and immature, forgetful and absent-minded, angry and cruel. Harsh colors are soft and pale, bright and cheerful, unpleasant, glossy. Question 29. The football team deposited their equipment in the locker room. What does deposited mean in this sentence? Laid down, locked up, used, repaired. Question 30. As compensation for missing her basketball game, Gabby's dad took her to the park and bought her ice cream. Why did he do that? He thought she needed to practice basketball. He felt sorry that he missed the game and wanted to make it up to her. He wanted to play basketball with his friends. He doesn't like basketball. As compensation for missing her basketball game, Gabby's dad took her to the park and bought her ice cream. Why did he do that? He thought she needed to practice basketball. He felt sorry that he missed the game and wanted to make it up for her. He wanted to play basketball with his friends. He doesn't like basketball. Question 31. You might huddle on the floor of your closet if you are trying to hide, looking for a shoe, cleaning your closet, throwing things in there in order to hide them. Question 32. A solitary hiker is walking very slowly, highly experienced, leading a group, hiking alone. A solitary hiker is walking very slowly, highly experienced, leading a group, hiking alone. Question 33. Rashid needs to wear formal attire to his brother's party. What should he wear? His pajamas, a bathing suit, a t-shirt and shorts, a suit and tie. Question 34. Robin said The Avengers was a fascinating movie. How did Robin feel about the movie? It was interesting and exciting. It was long and boring. It was difficult to understand. It was scary and upsetting. Question 35. Andrew lost his friend's favorite baseball card and he wants to compensate her. What should he do? Buy another baseball card. Buy her a soda pop. Apologize. Ask to borrow another baseball card. Question 36. What could make someone feel frigid? Waiting for the bus on a cold winter day. Hearing spooky sound in the night. Eating a very large meal. Lying in the shade on a hot day.